Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC Pro for free. Like, this is the trial. So you are just going to go to effects here and you can just select any pro effects that you want. Then you're going to use this like full screen here, and you're just going to basically screen record that. I know the quality won't be the best, but at least you can get to try, at least you can try the pro version, and that's without crack or like without inviting your friends as well. That's pretty much it. It's basically free, so like you can still use the like effects, except for like the ones that are like AI, like enhancing it. Like these ones you can't. Okay, 7 uses left for today. You can use some, like they have like credits for it as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!